My name is Cole Yellowbird. I'm from Red Deer, Alberta, and this is my 2000 VT750 Honda Shadow Chopper. It's got a 50 over front end, fully rigid, radiator deleted, cooling system. So the only stock part of the frame is from here to here. I got the bike for $750, and then I just put it in the jig and I built the rest. Like down highway, yeah, it's so nice. Like with the bag on it, you're kind of just sitting in a pocket. Yeah, it's like so nice, man.